in the red, taking on Jacob Moran in the blue. Spencer Lee's freestyle senior level debut off to a good start. He's in deep on a shot, converts it, goes up 2-0. Right into that leg lace. He's so dangerous from here. Adds 2 more, and he adjusts, pulls Moran back into the mat. He does not want to give up this position. He's going to make this a quick one. Moran trying to fight that leg lace. Lee's got to go one more time, gets it. Spencer Lee, senior level freestyle debut lasts only 28 seconds, and he's moving on to the round of 16. Spencer Lee on a roll. We'll see him throughout this tournament. Lee now dumps Kim for 2. Looking for a fall is Lee. Whether Kim gets off his back or not, this match is over, and 10-0 technical superiority win for Spencer Lee. Less than a minute, he's moving on to the quarterfinals, where he'll 20 seconds. Otherwise, another point will go on the boards for Spencer Lee. Nice re-attack by Spencer Lee. He earns the takedown. That's a 10-0 technical superiority win for Lee. Just under 4 minutes into this match, and he's moving on to the semi.
Times Vito scores, but for the most part, that's been good for Spencer Lee. And also that single leg. You know, I'm surprised we haven't seen more of it. There's that high, why go away from the high crotch?
Oh, look at her cradle, though. Vito's going to take him through. Oh, no exposure. Nice, solid positioning from Spencer Lee. Thought he was in trouble.
I think that's a tech. 14-4.
He's not.
Oh, my gracious.
Spencer Lee is pretty good.
And he gives a slap to the chest. He's pumped.
And it's going to be Spencer Lee, Nathan Tomasello tomorrow.
Oh, man.
Championship finals.
Both.
Super impressive performance from Spencer Lee. We talked about not seeing him 3 years in freestyle. He came out, he looked like
Didn't matter.
fire all weekend.
Probably the biggest applause from the crowd, or a very big one.
Yes.
Wow. They appreciate what he just did. 6-point win over Nathan Tomasello. Spencer Lee, your winner, national champion at 57 kilos. Guys, that's it.